In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request a credit limit increase on your Monzo Flex card. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap in the app, what the option looks like, and what to expect once you've sent your request. I'll also share a few important points so you understand how eligibility works and why you might see an instant decision or a review. Start by opening the Monzo app, give it a moment to load your accounts and make sure you're on the main screen where you can see your cards and balances. Everything you need sits right inside your existing Flex card area, so there's no need to navigate to a separate place once you're in. Next, go to your Flex card. You'll recognize it by the Flex label and the balance shown underneath. Tap it to open the card details. This takes you to the hub where you can see recent activity and all of the controls related to your Flex account. Inside your Flex card, tap Payment Settings. This is where Monzo groups the options that affect how you manage your Flex repayments and limits. If you don't spot it immediately, scroll within the Flex card screen and look for the section labeled Payment Settings. It's designed to be simple and quick to find. From there, select Credit Limit and request an increase. On this screen, you can view your current limit and tap the option to ask for a higher one. Follow the prompts on the screen. Monzo will guide you through the request and show you what happens next. In many cases, you'll see a decision instantly. If they need a bit more time, your request may be reviewed and you'll be updated in the app when a decision is ready. A quick but important note on eligibility: increases depend on responsible usage and consistent on-time repayments. In other words, how you've managed your Flex card so far plays a big part in the outcome. Making payments on or before their due dates, keeping your spending under control, and using the card sensibly all help demonstrate that a higher limit would be manageable. If you receive an instant increase, you're all set. The new limit will show in your Flex card. If your request goes to review or isn't approved right now, don't worry. Reviews can take a little time and eligibility can change as your account history grows. Continue using Flex responsibly, keep up with repayments, and check back in the future. That's it. Open the Monzo app, go to your Flex card, tap Payment Settings, then select Credit Limit and request an increase. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you feel confident about requesting a higher limit with Monzo Flex.